Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The so much talked about herdsmen and farmers crisis that has brought so much pains to a lot of families and to me as a person. I'm a victim.
Governor Samuel Ortom's resentment stems from way back in history.
In 2013, my ancestral home, where I stay, where my parents stay, was razed down by these people. More than 50 of my kinsmen and women were killed in one day for an offense that we did not commit.
What bothers him the most is the header attacks have continued unabated with very troubling casualty figures.
Just yesterday, 60 people were murdered in Ado local government by the same Fulani herdsmen that they came on a revenge mission. 60.
In the past 2 weeks, every single day we hear of people being killed. Even today, we are hearing that the retired AIG of Benue extraction was shot dead in Jos just a few hours ago. So this country has failed us.
Governor Ortom therefore insists that individuals be licensed to defend themselves.
Since federal government cannot disarm Fulani men, they should be allowed.